Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we're going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter number 19, Special Type of Quadrilaterals Exercise 19B, question number 9. In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is equal to 60 degrees. If the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at P, prove that AD is equal to DP, PC is equal to BC and DC is equal to 2AD. So basically we have to prove three things in this question, and a few information is given to us that we will be using to prove those three things, right? What are the things that we need to prove? Look, we have to prove AD equals to DP, we have to prove PC equals to BC, and we have to prove DC is equal to 2AD. That's all we have to prove, right? Okay, fine. So we will be proving them one by one only. Look, in this figure you can see ABCD, it's a parallelogram, fine, and angle A is given 60 degrees. Okay, so angle A is 60 degrees, and according to this it also says the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at P. That means AP is the bisector of angle A, BP is the bisector of angle B. That is fine. Okay, whatever will come here, right, whatever part will be the measure here, that will be equal to the measure here also. Fine. Because what reason? Because the line BP is the angular bisector of angle B. Angular bisector divides an angle into two parts. Same will come for angle A, right? This part here, it will be equal to this part. Okay, this 60 degrees, right? You see here, this 60 degrees, it is for this whole figure. This whole angle, it is of 60 degrees. But two parts will have different length. That will be half of 60 degrees, right? Because the bisector will divide it into two equal parts. If the entire thing is 60 degrees and two equal parts it will be divided into, then you have to divide 60 degrees by 2. That means one part will have 30 degree and the other part will have 30 degree. Let's begin by writing it off, right? So angle DAP, if you can see this DAP, okay, we are talking about this angle. Angle DAP will be equal to what? Angle PAB. Fine, and you can write down as AP is the bisector. Fine. So what we will get here? Look, entire angle A is of 60 degrees. Angle DAP will be equal to angle PAB. So that means what? Angle DAP and angle PAB will be equal to half of 60 degrees. Half of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. So that means it will be equal to 30 degrees, right? Try to understand it like this. Fine. Let me make this thing something like this. Listen. Okay. This is one part that is 30 degrees. Okay. And this part here, it is another part. Okay. This is also 30 degrees. Fine. Now it's a bit clear. Okay. Kind of fine. Just try to understand. This is a rough figure, right? Not a real figure. 30 and 32 equal parts. Come to the other side. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Don't come to the other side. Look. Now you will also see one thing very, very important here in this question. And what is that thing? It is, you can see angle A will be equal to angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180. Okay, I will write it like this: angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees, right? Because adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, or wait, not adjacent angles, you should write co-interior angles. It's a more appropriate word. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Fine. Supplementary means they have the sum of 180 degrees. So angle A is what? Angle A, look, angle A is 60 degrees, right? It is given here in the question. This angle A is 60 degrees. 60 plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. angle B will be equal to 180 minus 60. That means angle B is equal to 120 degrees, right? This whole angle B, it is 120 degrees, and two parts are there. Okay, BP is the angular bisector, so two equal parts will be there. So again, let's write down the statements. Which angle will be equal to which angle? Look here, angle CBP, right, will be equal to angle PBA, as BP is the bisector, right? That means angle CB and P will be equal to angle PBA, that will be equal to half of 120 degrees, that is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees. That means one part here it has 60 degrees, another part is also 60 degrees. Okay, two parts of 60 degree angles. Fine. Okay, now let's come to the other side, right? See, so now we know that half of this and half of this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and this one is also 60 degree, and these two combined is 120. Now look, angle PAB will be equal to angle APD or not? Yes or not? Yes, of course. Why? Because it is alternate, right? We are going to use the concept of alternate angles. So let's write down angle PAB will be equal to angle APD, that will be equal to 30 degrees, right? Because they are alternate angles. Angle PAB, this one, okay, I am talking about this one, this, forget this one, right? Angle PAB, that is 30 degrees, will be equal to angle APD, this part, that will also be 30 degrees, because it is alternate, right? They are alternate angles. So this one thing, right? Now come to this side. Again, look very carefully. Fine, I don't think we need to really write down this 120, right? It's clear now. Let's get rid of this. We want more clarity in the figure, right? Let's see now. Again, 60 degree here, 60 degree here. So can I try to use the same alternating angles concept here, alternate angles. 60 degree, what is the alternate to this one? DPC or not? This part? Yes or no? Alternate angle for angle PBA will be BPC or not? Let's write it down. Angle PBA will be equal to angle BPC, right? PBA, BPC, that will be equal to 60 degrees, right? Again, alternate angles, right? This is our first thing that we've taken out. Now come to the next part. That means this is also 60 degrees. Look in these two triangles, what do you observe? See, I will tell you one property, okay? See, we have all studied what are isosceles triangles, right? Two sides equal, okay? That is clear. But one more thing is there, the angles are also equal in the isosceles triangle. The angles adjacent to the equal sides, fine. Okay, see, this angle and this side, this angle and this side, they are equal, right? These two will be equal. This one is not equal, right? This might have another measure. So this concept we will be using. See carefully. In triangle ADP, in triangle ADP, angle angle DAP is equal to angle DPA. Isn't it so? Angle DAP is equal to angle DPA or not? Yes. Okay. See here now. So these two angles are of equal measure. That is what? 30 degrees, right? Now again look carefully. I told you, when two angles are equal, their sides will be equal as well, or no? Yes or no? Yes, because they will form an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two sides equal, right? That's all we know. But also one more thing is that the two angles are also equal, right? That are adjacent to the side. Okay, fine. This we have proven that these two angles are equal to each other, and when these two angles are equal, their sides will be equal as well. So AD will be equal to DP or not? Yes. Yes, because it is forming an isosceles triangle. Yes. Yes or no? Yes. Now look in the question, first part that we had to prove, AD equal to DP. Have we not reached to that conclusion? Yes. So first part we have done. So you can write here, hence proved. Fine. Okay. Right. This is easy. Fine. And also one more thing here. Okay. This will be taking here. Just give me a second. Right. Now look here. We will have angle in triangle. Now switch the triangle. This triangle we did. Now PCB. Okay, you can take any other triangle of your any other name, any other way you can name it. It's up to you. Come to this triangle PCB. Angle BPC equal to angle CBP or no? Yes. BPC equal to angle CBP, that is equal to 60 degrees or not? Yes. Okay. See here, BPC, it is 60 degrees. CBP, it is also 60 degrees. Same concept we are going to use in this triangle also, nothing new. Two angles are equal to each other, right? Then the sides, their sides will also be equal to each other, right? So these two are equal. What are the sides? PC and BC. Okay, so therefore PC is equal to BC, right? Again, because it is an isosceles triangle. Fine. Hence we have proved this. First part proven here, second part proven over here. Fine. So now look, now you have to prove that DC is equal to 2AD. This DC is equal to the measure of 2AD. Fine. Okay, right. Now look here carefully. AD is equal to DP and PC is equal to BC, right? So what you will have, let's take this thing, right? AD and DP, let's name this second because we named this one first. This side we will name as third. Okay, this information that you've just taken out. Now the last part we will be proving in such a way that we will add the second information that we've got and the third. AD equal to DP plus PC equal to BC. AD plus BC and DP plus BC. You will be adding the left hand side elements and then the ones on the right hand side separately. Okay, see here on the left hand side you have AD, and then in this second equation you've got PC. So AD plus PC. Come to this side, DP plus BC, right? AD plus PC equal to DP plus BC. If you're following me, we're just adding the second and the third equation, right? This and this. So left hand side on left hand side, right hand side on right hand side. Now look here, AD plus PC, AD and PC, right? And what else do you have? DP plus BC. Where is it? Here it is. Fine. So what can you write down? See here, BC is equal to PC, right? What I'll do here, look, AD, right? Okay, and look, PC is equal to BC, right? AD and BC. So PC can be replaced with BC or not? Yes. Equals to DP. Look, DP plus BC. BC is equal to PC. So in place of BC, I am substituting PC. It's just substitution. You can look from the third equation only. We have just interchanged them. PC was equal to BC. So in this equation, in place of PC, BC has come. Here BC is equal to PC again. So we have replaced BC with PC. Now look carefully here. AD and BC, are they not equal? Because it is a parallelogram, so this side will be equal to this side or not? Yes, opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. So AD plus AD, right? Is there any wrong if I write it like this? No, because AD and BC are equal only. So BC can be written as AD also, and that only I have done here. Okay, DP plus PC, DP plus PC, what is it forming? Can you name this entire line? DP plus PC, it is forming DC. Okay, so AD plus AD is what? 2AD, that is equal to DC, or you can say that DC equals to 2AD, right? Hence proved. You can see the third part also, that was DC equals to 2AD. We have also proved that because we have come to that conclusion. So this is this entire question. It is very lengthy but not that difficult. Fine. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.